Hi, I'm Ms. Lavodi, and today I'm going to show you how to add background color to our radial word design. We're going to create a gradient with colored pencil. This is the effect that we should have at the end of this tutorial. Your background should have a smooth transition of closely related colors. We're going to use analogous colors, color that's directly next to each other on the color wheel for smooth transitions between colors. I'm beginning here with yellow colored pencil and shading it softly up into the L area of my design. From here, I'm switching to a slightly deeper yellow so I can create a really smooth transition between the bright yellow and the deeper yellow. My next color will be more of a yellow-orange, so it's a little bit deeper than the previous yellow, and I'll be transitioning this into the V area of my design. So it's coming up in between the spaces and into the O, so that way I can see through the background. So don't forget those inside parts of your letters when you're shading your background design. Now I'm going to move into a red-orange to fade this past the E. I'm also making sure that I shade a little bit of this into the previous area, just again so that way I can get that nice transition where the color latches into each other. Once I've worked my way around with this color, I'm going to transition into a magenta to use for the corners, and this will complete the background shading in my radial word design. Now the background is completely shaded in.